Convenient. Replaces multiple individual demolition tools with multi-function design. Efficient. Chisel or punch big holes in drywall, tile, plaster and lath with the cross-hatched hammer. Useful. Grab, bend and tear out 2x lumber with the wood grabber jaws. Pry up boards, nail strips, molding and more with the built-in pry bar. Functional. Extract nails with the closed and beveled nail pullers. Easy to use. Start nails easier with a magnetic nail holder. Top reviews from the United States. Literally helped me save a life. I bought this item years ago when I was delivering concrete to help me get dried up concrete off my truck. I have since returned to over-the-road driving. I have used this tool to pry items wedged between my tires, brake seals and open, close stubborn trailer doors. The most notable use I had for this tool was after I witnessed a fatal accident involving a semi and a minivan. I was able to use this tool to smash the window and evaluate a passenger that was still alive and then use it to pry open the door and treat them. This has been an everyday carry tool for me ever since I bought it.